Hello and welcome back to Archi Tools. In the previous video, you had learned how you can create different kinds of roof in Revit. In this video, you'll learn about how you can create a dormer roof in Revit. So if you have not gone through how you can create different kinds of roof, please do watch it in the previous tutorial named as the module 5. And if you have done it, welcome to this tutorial in which you'll learn how you can create a dormer roof. So dormer roof is basically a kind of an extrusion which has been cut out from the roof, and it kinds of creates a window for further lighting and ventilation. So how you can create that? Let's first of all make a base. By that, for that, I'll press the tab key, and since my wall has already been made for one of the roofs, I'll just copy this over here, and after that I'll create one of my roofs. So I'll go to the drop down and I'll choose roof by footprint, check the level. In this case, level 1 would be better because I have made my walls in level 0. So I'll click on yes for level 1, and I'll create my roof using the rectangle. So since I want an overhang, so I'll provide my overhang like let's keep it at 600, and let's create a hip roof like this. But for creating a hip roof, as we have discussed earlier in the previous video, we need to have all the slopes on in the lines as demarcated by this triangles over here. So since I want all the angles at the same angle, so I'll select all the lines, and here I will just change its slope to, let's keep it at 25 degrees, and I'll go to 3D just to show you how it has been made. So this is a basic roof which has been made, and I'll create one more roof which will serve as a roof for the dormer window. So I'll go to level 0. Actually, I'll go to level 1 so I can have a view of my roof. So I can see my roof, and I can also see my walls beneath. In your case, if you are unable to see the walls below, just click on WF to go into the wireframe. Since I am already in the wireframe, it is showing like this. So this is a base I have got, and I will create my wall, and this time I'll keep my wall at level 1 since I have already created my wall beneath from level 0 to level 1, and this one would be from level 1 and above. So I'll keep it at level 1 for now, and then we'll adjust it afterwards, and we'll keep the top constraint as unconnected. Let's keep it at a height of 2000 for now, and begin modeling our roof. So for checking the center, just find the midpoint like a triangle shown over here, and I'll begin modeling my wall. Just before modeling it, I'll choose wall center line. Now I'll begin modeling my wall. Let's keep it at 1500 from here and extend it a little bit to the inside. I'll select both of them and just draw a mirror, keeping the copy option on. Now I'll check in the 3D how it is. So here's how it is. Uh, Now I need to create a roof for that. So I'll go to level 1, and again I'll go to my roof and select my rectangle, provide an offset of 600, and I want it to be a pitched roof. So I'll select these two lines and untick define slope since I don't want slope for these two parts. And for this, I'll keep it at 15 degrees. Just tick on it once you are done, and I'll go to my 3D to check. So since it was in level 1, so the walls couldn't be seen because wall was from level 1 to above. So it has been attached, that's why it is not showing. So what I need to do is I need to keep this roof above level 1. So I'll create a base offset from level 1. Let's keep it at 2000 for now and check. So the walls are shown over here, but as you can see, it is going above the larger roof, which we don't want. So I'll quickly ex- just increase its slope and check whether it's fine or not. So I'll keep it at 35. Let's check. So it is okay at 35 right now. And I'll go to my top, just edit this a little bit so that it crosses the bigger roof part. So the roof has been made, both of the roofs are made. After that, we'll just edit the edge of the roof. As you can see, this roof is going all through the bigger roof, which we don't want. We need a proper clean edge. So for creating an edge like this, we will go to the modify tools, and here you would find an option of join and join roof. I'll select this, and first of all it will ask for the edge. So since you are in a hidden line or a consistent colors option, in my case it is an inconsistent colors. So first of all, I'll go to my wireframe by clicking on WF. Now you will get the edge of it, the smaller roof. Just select this, and next thing it will ask the face on the part you want to join. So we want this face. I'll click on this, and if you go to hidden line by clicking on HL, so this is how it joins itself perfectly smooth as we want it. The next part would be creating a dormer for inside, since right now the larger roof doesn't have any void to create a dormer window from here. So I need to create a cut in the larger roof, but the cut should be in a proper proportion for according to the wall. So how we can create this dormer cut? We can do this by going into architecture, and in the openings we have an option of creating a dormer opening. You just click on this. The next thing it will ask is the roof in which we want to cut the dormer opening. So this will be our larger roof. So I'll select this. The next thing it will ask to pick the wall edges or the roof edges. So I have to create a inside profile in which I need to cut my roof. So for that, I'll require the inside part of wall and roof. So firstly, I'll select the inside part of the roof like this and this. And after I am done, I'll quickly click on wireframe, WF for short. And for this, after doing this, I'm able to see my inside portion of my walls. So as you can see here, I am able to see my left side of the wall. I'll click on this, and the line will be made on the roof face like this. Similarly for the other part, I'll hover on the inside wall till I get my inside wall. Just click on tab until you get this line, and we have got all three sides. I just need the exterior side. For that, I will just click this part, and now we can trim it. As you can see, it's kind of a hut which is made. So it is how the profile should be for a dormer roof. So I'll trim this part and just tick on it once you are done. If I click on the hidden line viewport and show it to you, so you can see the roof has been cut. The next thing, which is a quite irritating part, is this walls are going inside, which shouldn't be the case in case of a dormer roof. So what we need is we just need to select this wall and click on this edit profile option. Go to one of the elevations by clicking on right or left and just pick the edge surface like this. Now trim all the parts what you want and remove the extra lines. Just click on done once you are fine with the profile. Now, as you can see, this wall has been edited. You just need to do the same for the other end as well. Go over here, select the wall, click on edit profile, go to the pick lines and select this roof face. Now just use the trim command to trim the wall extents and remove the extra lines. Just click on finish mode once you're done. So here is the roof which has been made. We just need to add a window for the dormer roof. So W1 for windows, and we can provide a window like this. You can check whether you have placed it at a center, and let's keep it at a center like this, and I can move it below. And that's how you create a dormer roof. Let me know in the comment section if you are facing any issues regarding creating of a dormer roof. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.